Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a few ways how we can make money with Procreate. I created a notepad in which I wrote my tips that I have for you. So let's just start. Now the first tip that I prepared is that be careful of being employed to yourself. It's a zero tip because it's not really a tip, but it's advice for everyone who wants to make money by just like creating content or creating designs, whatever. What I see many times is that people are not working on their business, they're working in their business, that they are like employee of their own business, and try not to do it in long term only because it's possible doing if you need cash flow, if you need start. What does it mean? When you're gonna do let me show you, this is a line, this is amount of work, so this is consultation, this is creation of art for someone, and this is the result of it, the payment. So payment is this is amount of work. So what most people are doing is this, being employee, you work and you get a payment. What you should be doing, or what you should try to be doing, find a way, and this is what I'm going to talk in this video, find a way how you can get for low amount of work, get hardcore payment, a lot of money, passive income. Only because I'm going to create a work which is small, but immediately it can be big. Like let's say that I would create design and I would sell them on Reddit, or I would sell them on Etsy, and it's a payment, it's like passive income for me, and gradually it was increased. So it's right now payment here, then I have payment here. So this is something that I recommend for you to do, and I will show you how we can do it, is do consultation, do creation for people, but try to find a way also how you can make money from passive income. So that's what I do. I do consultations about YouTube. I create YouTube videos, and when I do consultations, I don't do them a lot anymore, only because I focus on creating courses and creating more projects, which gives me snowball effect that I would earn gradually more money. Now, it's important that in the beginning, when you don't have a lot of cash flow, when you need to earn like 1K, 2K a month, it's effective. It's good to do the consultations, create graphics for people, promote yourself somewhere. Okay, but long term, try to find a way how you can, like in the beginning, 80% of consultations, 20% would be your passive income, and then gradually switch it to 50-50 or 60-40, 70-30. That 70 would be your passive income and 30 would be that you would work for people. So that's something you want to do only because, like, in the moment something would happen, you would lose all your money, all your revenue. So let's say you would have a problem with your eyes and you couldn't work anymore, and therefore you wouldn't have any income, only because you were always doing the work for the others. So you would become the employee of your business, not the owner of one. So just keep in mind this and try to find a way how we can have some kind of passive income. And let's talk about this. The first thing that I have for you is analyze competition. This is how we can find the best way how we can get further, and not a lot of people are doing it for some reason. But what I would do is like I would find the best creators, the best in the art works, like people who are creating on the ArtStation, who are creating various things that I could create too, and try to find how much they make, their Instagram accounts, analyze their YouTube channels if they have some. So this is the really good way how we can make money. So Procreate, design, sketch, and then sketch a day, GIP. So then I look how much money he makes, what kind of videos he creates. He doesn't do really tutorials, he makes live streams here. GIP also, he's not really using Procreate, but this is pretty much what I would do. I would analyze a lot. And now, how we can make money? Let's get to it. The first way how you can actually make money is that you would create YouTube videos. If you want to create your own YouTube channel, there is a course down below in the description that you can like get completely for free and learn how to master YouTube. So this is what I recommend for you to do if you want to go with a YouTube channel. And really good way of YouTube is that it's evergreen content. If you're gonna make a tutorial, let's say Procreate, how to crop image, you can create tutorial on it, or how to just like tutorials, trace photo. and really make tutorials, you would get revenue from how it's called, AdSense. That's what I have. And then you would have products or affiliate, like let's say someone could buy your artwork. So let's say that I would be making a video about how to draw the other eye or whatever, blonde curly hair digitally, and I could sell them. So if you don't want to make it by yourself, this is the result, and if you want to buy it, there will link down below in the description and people would buy it. So this is the first way what you can do and how you can actually make money. What I would recommend is just create YouTube videos if you feel like it, YouTube tutorials, what you can achieve, but even it's much better if you're good. So this is the first way. The second way, you can sell it and do, like, I don't know, paint dogs or design dogs for families, or like the whole family or partners when someone is in a relationship, and you can promote yourself on, let me show you. So what you can actually do is this. Where is it? Here. You can go with Instagram. I recommend having your own website. So that's what you can do. You just promote your work on Instagram, and most of the people have Instagram. Just post your photos, what you create, but never try to sell, you know, to others. What you want to do is actually like, okay, this is what I created today. If you want something similar, you can contact me here. Easy as that. And now Etsy, clip art, selling in Etsy is really great, but there is disadvantage with Etsy. What you need to keep in mind that they take a huge cut of your earnings. But the huge thing about Etsy is that you're gonna have exposure. So organic reach is really great. And Etsy, what I would do, if you can really sell your own as a passive income, like your own designs, I would use Etsy if you want to get the revenue, right? If you want to sell something, the work you do, like custom portrait drawing, right? That you want to sell your portraits. But what I would recommend is I would add your photo here somewhere and try to be better than these people. They just like upload the photo. What I would do is that I would just like upload the best work you have, right? So you can represent yourself. That's what I definitely recommend for you to do. So this is another way how you can make money. And of course, you can make money with clip art, but then we have Instagram here and your own website. Instagram is a great way how you can get another exposure. Just post photos of a dog that you make, completely up to you. And then, like, let's say that you would make like how to custom portrait drawing, and let's say that what you can do is actually create a video how to create a dog, how to write a dog, how to paint and sketch a dog, draw. So that's what you can actually do. Then you can have like Reddit here. Reddit is a good way how you can promote yourself in the drawings, in designs. Plenty of people would also like contact you there. My recommendation is just like create a Reddit account and post it in design, your work that you do. So this is what I did today, and just like have the photo of the dog and your drawing of the dog, and people like it, and they will enjoy it, and then people will contact you when they want it for their own dog. What I would do even is how you can market yourself in a different way is that you can actually find like a dog from all. Let me show you. So we have it right here, and I can go top this month, and look at this. I would what I would do is that I would draw this dog here. He's beautiful. Oh my god, he's so damn beautiful. So yeah, this is what you can do, and this is what I would recommend for you to do. Oh my god, these dogs are so pretty. Now that's another way. And what you can do, the last thing I have is having like ArtStation. This is how you can recommend and how you can like upload your things too, and people then just like add to collection and buy those. So this is pretty much it how you can also make with ArtStation. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. But this was pretty much it. To summarize it, create your own website. You can use Instagram, Reddit. You can create even YouTube videos. These are the ways. YouTube videos if you want a course. And if you want to learn how to work with YouTube, there is link down below in the description. And thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.